everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to review my most recent purchase from Next Perfumes, which is now Scentos.in. So let me very quickly go ahead and show you the whole packaging, and I will also share the review of the product that I have received, so please stay connected. So as I open the packaging, it looks something like this. It is in this cardboard packaging with a nice tape wrapped around it, and this is a cardboard package, and here are both the perfumes wrapped in a bubble wrap. So the first one here is the Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Noir. So I was really excited about this perfume because this is one of the best perfumes for women out there. And if you've watched Jimmy's review channel, you know that how beautiful this perfume is. He can't stop rapping about this. The second one is the Chanel Tender. So for people who have used Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, this is the second most popular fragrance from the Chanel range. So yeah, this is the second one. So let me quickly go ahead and review both the bottles for you. Let's talk about the packaging first. So I ordered these two perfumes in two different quantities. So as you can see, the first one is the Viva La Juicy Couture one, which is in the 10 ml bottle. This is a plastic bottle with a plastic spray on the top and has a very beautiful glassy look. Though this is plastic, but it's not one of those flimsy materials. The material is really good. Also the cap sits really well on the top. I don't think it's gonna fall off. And the second one, I am in love with the second bottle. This is the 15 ml decant bottle of the Chanel Tender perfume. So the gold cap really brings that pop of color and it makes it look so luxurious. It's really gonna look beautiful on your vanity. If you want to keep it in your purse, I am in love with this bottle. I'm really happy that they have changed the decant packaging. I'm really looking forward to get a few more for myself. So let me very quickly go ahead and review both the perfumes with you. Let's go. I have both the perfumes here. Let's talk about the fragrance. So this is the Juicy Couture Noir perfume, and let me very quickly go ahead and spray. So guys, this has more of the citrus prominent smell. Smells more like sweet caramel and sandalwood. So moving on to the second bottle, this is the Chanel Tender one. I'm really obsessing over this bottle and it's really beautiful and aesthetic. Let me very quickly go ahead and spray it for you. So guys, this has a very floral fruity smell, has a combination of jasmine, rose and amber, and dries down really musky. So last month itself I ordered the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle decant and I wanted to test it out. A lot of friends do use this particular perfume. It is a very popular perfume, but none of them were close nearby so that I could go ahead and check this one. I was a first timer with Coco Chanel, but now I know that this one is a bit floral for me. So and now that I have two more decants with me, the Juicy Couture Noir one and the Chanel Tender, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. So till then I'm gonna use this and save up for the full-size bottle. So in my last video I got a lot of questions about the authenticity of these perfumes. So about that I think I want to share my experience. So the last time the Coco Chanel one that I bought, I've been using this since then, and this is definitely original because it performs exactly the same and it lingers around for more than 24 hours. It just works amazing. I'm really happy with the performance that this one has, and I don't even need a lot of sprays, just 2 sprays here and I'm sorted.
for the whole day. So also I would like to share that this actually stays on your clothes even once you wash them, and it's you can still smell it, you can still trace that perfume in that cloth. So I'm really happy with the performance, and if you want to try it for yourself, you can definitely go ahead and get, you know, a decant for yourself. And so I'll tell you how it works. So what they do is they take a full size bottle. So this is the Body Shop British Rose EDT. This is a 100 ml bottle. So what they do is they portion out several quantities from the particular bottle, and in different sizes so and quantities. So what they do is they take this particular 100 ml bottle, and they'll portion out in different several quantities for 10 ml, 15 ml, 50 ml, and then the full size bottle. So if you want to test out first, what you can do is you can go ahead and check the decant first, use it for a month, and then you can decide whether you want to go for the full size bottle or not. This is a very new concept in India, and I'm absolutely loving it. I have 3 decants with me, and I think they are going to last me for at least 2 months. So I'm really sorted and I'm really happy. So now I finally decided which one I have to go for, and I'm going to go for the Chanel Tender one, and I'm really happy with the customer service that they provide. I have been back and forth with them since the day I ordered and till the day I received it. So, you know, I was behind them, and they were very quick with the replies. I'm really happy about it. So if you want to get a decant for yourself, I'm going to be sharing a link to their website in the description box, along with the prices of the 3 decants.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos.